error. They have to find this is not x square. So limit extending to 0 f of x you have to find. So when limit will exist, concept is a limit exists. Limit exists at x equal to a when limit extending to a minus f of x must be equal to limit extending to a plus f of x. If both are equal, then we have a full right to write that limit extending to a f of x exists. That is the basic meaning of limits. So limit extending to a f of x means limit extending to a minus f of x is equal to limit extending to a plus f of x. Therefore, in our required problem, limit extending to 0 minus, it is given as x. So what we do, limit extending to 0, this becomes 0 minus h, finally it is 0. Similarly, limit extending to 0 plus, it is given as x square. So this can be written as limit extending to 0, 0 plus h whole square is equal to 0. So clearly we see left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Therefore, limit extending to 0 f of x is equal to 0. Again I repeat, when limit will exist, when left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, then only we have a right to write limit extending to 0 f of x equal to 0. So a limit exists at x equal to a limit extending to a minus f of x is equal to limit extending to a plus f of x. Then we say limit extending to a f of x exists.